of our beloved nation, India. On this historic day, we remember the sacrifice of our fighters who fought valiantly to secure our freedom from British rule. Independence Day is not just a celebration of our past, but a reminder of the responsibility we carry as citizens of nation. This year we celebrate under the theme Nation First, Always First, reflecting our commitment to putting a country above all else. As we host the tricolor flag, let us remember the value it represents: courage, peace and prosperity. Our journey since 1947 has been marked by significant achievement in various fields, from science and technology to arts and culture. That we must also acknowledge and challenges we face and work collectively uphold principle, democracy, unity and integrity. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning to all respected teachers, principal and fellow students. Today we gather to celebrate a moment occasion in our national history, our independence day. On this day 78 years ago, India broke free from the chains of colonial rule and embarked on a journey of self-determination and progress. We owe our freedom to the countless brave souls who sacrificed their lives for get independence. Their courage, determination inspire us to uphold the values and liberty, equality and justice. Every year we celebrate this day by hosting our national flag, singing patriotic songs and remembering the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. It reminds us to be